Greetings, this is Donnie. Alright, so let's talk about solving equations. This is the one-step solving equations with addition and subtraction, okay? Alright, so as we have right here on this screen right here, we want to go ahead and the goal is to solve for x. Alright, so the goal is to solve for x. Do not forget to solve for x. So this is what I will do. First things first, go ahead and draw this line through the equal sign, right? This equal sign is like a wall. Alright, this equal sign is like a wall. And it forces you to put your eyes where the variable is at, the side of where the variable is at. My variable's right here. Circle your variable so you know which side of the equal sign you're working on. And so we want to move this -3 here. Okay, this is x minus 3, but if I just look at the number, it's -3. The goal is to move that -3. So how do I move it? I do the inverse operation. So this 3 is being subtracted, or it's negative. Do the opposite, which is add 3. Boom. And you do the same thing on the other side. Add 3. Boom. Once you do that, this cancels out because it turns into 0. X is left by itself. And now we're at 4 plus 3, right? That equals 7. Boom. We're done. All right. Let's do another problem. Do the same thing. 15 equals K. All right. I know that. Let me write this a little better. There we go. 15 equals K minus 8. Same exact thing. I go ahead and draw my line. Draw my wall through the equal sign. K is on the right side of this equal sign. So I am on the right side. I'm not looking at 15. I'm right here on the right, on this right side. This is minus 8. I do the opposite of minus 8. I add 8 on both sides. That's all I do. Just add 8. 15 plus 8, that should be 23. Okay, K, this is gone. K is by itself. Boom. We're done. Let's do one more. This is actually pretty good right here. So let's do the same thing, right? Draw my line. Locate my variable. Now, we may have to do something before we move this -2. Okay, let's simplify the problem because I got two negative signs right next to each other. Yes, you still have to do the integer rules in this. So I will go ahead and I got two negatives right next to each other. This turns to a positive, right? Let's rewrite our problem so we know exactly what we're doing. Here we go. -3 is equal to C plus 2. And now let's go ahead and get C by itself. Here's my variable right here. 2 is being added, so I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. Now, again, this is integer rule still counts. So if I got two negative numbers, -3 minus 2, that's -5. Make sure you know your integer rules. You know how to add and subtract positive and negative numbers. C is by itself. -5 equals C. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully from these 3 exercises, you understand what to do. If you need any more help, please comment, like, and subscribe for the video. All right. You have a nice day.